If you're looking for the best underwater fishing cameras, you're in the perfect spot. In this video, we'll guide you through the top 5 options to help you find the perfect device for your fishing adventures. Whether you want to explore the underwater world, improve your fishing game, or capture stunning footage, these cameras are packed with features to make it all possible. From advanced night vision to high-definition displays and long-lasting batteries, we've covered it all. We've spent countless hours researching and comparing hundreds of products so you don't have to. Sit back and relax as we reveal the best options in the market. Don't forget to check the links in the video description for more details and the best deals on these amazing cameras. Let's dive in. Number 5. VWVIVIDWORLD Underwater 220 DE-HD/UHD Fishing camera. EV-World.1 calls for fishing, and UA-World.1 calls for fishing. The VWVIVIDWORLD fishing camera is a fantastic choice for those who value wide-angle views and durability. With a 220D sonar coverage, this device provides exceptional underwater visuals, and its 5-inch IPS LCD screen ensures clear display in any lighting condition. Its long-endurance lithium-ion battery and robust build make it perfect for extended fishing trips. The night vision capability allows you to spot fish even in dark underwater environments, giving you an edge during night fishing. However, it does lack some advanced features like built-in video recording. Pros include excellent viewing angles, high-resolution display, and long-lasting battery life. The cons are limited to its somewhat bulky design and lack of video recording. Still, for its price point, the VWVIVIDWORLD camera delivers outstanding value for anyone wanting reliable underwater performance. A large part of the improvement comes from far-water imaging technology that makes it easy to record all aspects of underwater observations. Number 4. The Genesis 1000 Line Ice Fishing Underwater Camera Count. The THEJLES camera is tailored for ice fishing enthusiasts who need clarity and compact design. With a 4.3-inch IPS screen and 1000 TVL CMOS camera, it delivers crisp underwater images. Its 8 infrared lights ensure visibility in low-light conditions, and the built-in 2600 mAh battery provides up to 8 hours of runtime. The device's lightweight and portable design make it ideal for quick setups and easy transportation. On the downside, it doesn't include video recording functionality, which might be a deal-breaker for some. The pros are its affordability, excellent infrared night vision, and portability. The cons are its shorter cable length and absence of recording features. This is an excellent choice for those prioritizing simplicity and effectiveness on the ice. Number 3. Lucky Portable Underwater Fishing and Inspection Camera. The Lucky underwater camera is a versatile and reliable option for both ice and sea fishing. Its 4.3-inch LCD display and 20-meter cable provide a wide detecting range of up to 73 meters, making it suitable for various fishing conditions. The 120 DEG sonar coverage and night vision features ensure you won't miss any underwater activity, and its rechargeable battery offers convenience during long fishing trips. However, its 320 by 240 pixel resolution may feel outdated compared to newer models. The pros are its wide detection range, multi-environment adaptability, and durable design. The cons include lower resolution and lack of advanced features like video recording. Overall, it's a solid choice for anglers seeking functionality and dependability. Number 2. MOQCQGR HD Underwater Fishing Camera. The MOQCQGR camera combines high performance and user-friendly features. Its 7-inch Full HD 1080p display and 25-meter cable make underwater exploration easy and enjoyable. The 10000 mAh lithium battery ensures up to 8 hours of usage, and the included SD card allows you to record and save your fishing footage. With its durable build and high-quality imaging, this device is perfect for serious anglers. On the flip side, the device's large size may not be ideal for those seeking portability. Pros include HD display, long battery life, and video recording capabilities. The cons are its bulky design and higher price point. It's a top-tier choice for those wanting advanced features and reliable performance. Number 1. SYSD 7-inch, 10, and 80p. Underwater Fishing Video Camera. The SYSD underwater camera stands out with its 7-inch monitor and 30-meter cable, providing stunning 1080p visuals and extended range. With built-in video recording and an 8GB TF card, it's designed for anglers who want to capture their underwater adventures. Its durable build and CE certification ensure quality and reliability, while the 8 infrared lights enhance night vision capabilities. However, the included 8GB card may fill up quickly for extended recording sessions. The pros are its exceptional video quality, robust design, and video recording functionality. The cons include limited storage and a slightly higher price tag. This camera is perfect for anglers who want premium features and top-notch performance.